Hi, I'm Hayley and we have a special guest in today.
Hi, I'm Katie from the Cozy.
And today I'm teaching her all about the heat presses that we have. Katie usually uses the iron, so we thought we'd introduce you to the 2.1 and the HappyPress 3 as well, which is exciting. I'll just show you a few little differences between them both. This is the HappyPress 2.1, and here we've got a little latch, so it's quite easily transportable and you can close it all up once you're done. And as you can see, it opens up like that. So you have the heat here that comes from it, and then you've got like the bottom platen. And then that just presses down, and you just press even pressure on there, obviously when I'm sitting the other way around. And then it also has a timer. And these buttons are like touchscreen. When I first opened it, I thought I had to press it hard, but you just...
It's a touchscreen button.
Yeah, it's really cool.
So cool.
So it's got a timer on it as well, so it's a perfect like crafting heat press. If you're doing crafts day in, day out, this would be perfect for it. And then we have it has like a lockdown press, so you push this handle down. As you can see, it locks straight into place.
Yeah.
The timer automatically comes on as well. Very similar, so you can change obviously the settings. And once it's finished, as you'll see, it will beep. And then it's ready to be released. It's literally so easy to push up and down, as you can see. It also has an adjustable nozzle here. So if you're doing like really thick, heavy sweaters or really thick fabrics, you can like make it go a little bit higher so you can fit the fabric in, or if you're doing like card or really thin fabrics, you can just tighten it up and it will go even closer, so have more pressure.
Fab.
But yeah, it's perfect for like, especially if you're starting up a little business or doing more sort of like lots of t-shirts every day or things like that. It's really helpful.
That was so weird.
How did that just happen?
It's too late now to turn around and back again.